Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to work with the dates in Excel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you a very simple trick to work with dates, which is a text formula, guys. So by using text formula, we can convert our date to any format. Let us jump into the Excel to see how we can use text formula in Excel. Here in my sheet, I have this data here which is related to the sales, and we have customer name, customer country, and units sold, and date, and total sales. So here I'm gonna use our date field only to demonstrate how we can use the text function. So here we will use our text formula to convert this date. Very first, I want to get the month number from this date. So guys, I'll simply put month num here, and I'll use month formula. So it will give us the month number. So guys, we can also do this with the help of text formula even. So I need to select the date as value, and then I need to put M 2 times, and I'll press enter. So when I press enter, so it will convert all the month to month numbers. So August is 8 and July is 7. So we have our month number here. So to get the month number, we need to put M 2 times in our text. Let us go to the next column and see how we can get the month name using text function. And in value, I need to select the date and comma, and in double quotes, as I said, I need to put M 3 times. As I enter, so we will see our month name here, month names here. I can simply copy this formula down, so it will give us the month name for all other dates. In the next column, we will see how to get the whole month name. So here in this column, we are only having first 3 characters of to get the whole month name. We just need to simply use M 4 times in our text formula. So let me show you guys. We can use text formula, and we'll use date as value, and then in double quotes I'll put M 4 times. So when I press enter, so it will give us the full month name, and I can simply copy this formula for all other dates. So see guys, it has now we have full month name for each date. In the next column, we will see how to get the only day number from the date. So guys, to do this, we need to simply use dd. So I'll use text formula here, and then value, and in double quote, I just need to put the dd, guys. So it has extracted only day from particular date. So I can copy this formula to other rows even. So guys, in the next row, we want to extract the day name. So to get the day name, we need to write D 3 times in double quote. So guys, I'll use text formula. I'll select the date as usual, and in the double quotes, I just simply need to write D 3 times. So close brackets and enter. Now we have our first 3 characters of our day name. As similar to month, we can get the whole day name when we write D 4 times. So I'll use text formula and select the date, and in the double quote I'll simply write D 4 times and close brackets. See guys, it has extracted whole day name for our date. I can copy this formula to other rows. Now we will use the text formula to get the year from our date. So to get the year, I simply need to write y 4 times the double quote. Let us write the function. So text, I need to select the date, and in the double quotes I'll write y 4 times. Close brackets and press enter. It has extracted year from the date. In the next column, we will just extract the last 2 digits of our year. So to do that, I need to simply write text and then select the date, and in double quote I just need to write y 2 times. So it will give us the last 2 digits of our years. See guys, now we have seen how to extract month, date and year. Now we will use our test formula to convert our date format. Our current available date has its date format year, month and date. So we want to convert this format to DD, MM and YY. So I need to simply write the text, select the date, and in the double quote I need to write DD, MM and YY 4 times to get the all 4 digits of our year. See guys, it has converted our date format to DD, MM and YY. Now in the next column, we will convert our date. We will extract month and year from our date. So to extract the month and year, I need to simply write MM and YY. So this time we will have month number and last 2 digits of year. Equal to text, date, double quote, mm and YY. See now we got the month and year format. In the next column, I'll show you how to get the month name along with the year. To get the month name, we need to simply write M 4 times and Y. So text and then M and YY. Here guys, it has given us the month name along with the year. This was all about text formula. We can convert it to any required format we want for our reporting. I hope you have liked this video. I would request you all to please do like, share and subscribe our videos, and please don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates on our videos. Thank you guys.